Welcome to Fire Warden Training, where safety takes first place. We'd like to introduce you to something exciting: our online advanced Chief Emergency Warden Training. Discover why our course is the market leader for those who wish to excel in managing an emergency response. Our Chief Warden Training is leading the way in Australia. It's the first AS 3745 compliant course that offers you the ability to customize optional additional content to meet your learning needs. We understand the complexity of safety standards, so we've summarized these into a format that's easy for you to understand. And our training will help you exceed these standards, making you an emergency safety expert your organization can rely on. Whether it's addressing site-specific risks or pursuing your personal interests, you get to choose the extra learning options that matter the most to you. And finally, we've partnered with industry leaders who know how to break down complexity into practical and understandable knowledge. Say goodbye to jargon and confusion. Let us show you how learning can be engaging, accessible, and, most importantly, memorable. So, why choose us? With Fire Warden Training, regardless of where you work, you can become the chief emergency warden your team relies on, ensuring their safety and compliance. So don't wait anymore. Click on the Start Now button and take the first step towards leading a safe and secure workplace.